Hello everyone, this is Chinni Nandina, Regional Sales Manager for AP region. Our stall has been established in Poultry Expo 2019. Our stall name is Poultrymon, Smart Poultry Solutions. We provide electronic devices which are installed in the wireless devices which are installed in the layers, breeders and broilers and hatcheries. It will automatically monitor the temperature and humidity directly sent to the customer mobile through app, that is IoT technology. A farmer can easily identify the temperature increase and the humidity increase in the sheds wherever, whenever in the world. Wherever he is, he can immediately coordinate with the supervisor who is supervising over the farm, and he can take the remedy immediately. We got a good marketing on this side, Poultrymon Solutions, and the farmers are showing very enthusiasm about our product, and we are happy with what we are going this Expo International.